Is there any doubt in the last session? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt how to add a footprint, ma'am, because I downloaded that version you marked in a screenshot. I
Okay,
downloaded it, but for me, footprint is not showing, ma'am. Only
okay,
symbols are coming.
okay. It's not an issue. We can assign the footprint one by one. How can we then step by step? Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
now our schematic is completed. Now we have done ERC. What is ERC? And then some means this electrical rule check. What is the ERC? What is the purpose of that ERC? Okay. Then
Okay.
how to create a custom symbols. If the symbol is not available, then how we can create that symbols. Okay. And then
Okay, ma'am.
we assign the footprint to our symbol. Okay. So today's agenda will be our ERC and symbol creation. Hmm? Okay. So yeah, I'm starting the class right now. Just a second. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Now my screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm starting how to open the project within your location. Okay. So this is my location. Okay. So yeah, this is the my project location. Okay. So there is a multiple files are created. What is there? It's a PCB, KiCad PRL, then it's a project and schematic. Okay. So whenever we open the project in particular location, we can open the KiCad project. Okay. Not a KiCad schematic, not a KiCad PCB. We open the KiCad project. So in the KiCad project, there is a bundle of PCB, schematic, all all these files are under this KiCad project. Okay. So whenever we open the any project, make sure you can open with the KiCad project. If you open with only the schematic, then this schematics not reflected in your PCB. Okay. So whenever we open the any project, make sure you can open with the KiCad project. So just right click on here, open with, yeah, just a second, open with your KiCad. Okay. So now you can see the my project is open, but now you can see there is one extra folder is added. What is this? LM2596 bug converter backups. Okay. So this folder. Okay. So if you go there, there is a multiple files are available. What is there? This is the zip files. Means whenever we save the project, there is one zip file will be created. Okay. So this is a random backup files. Suppose you have created and save it. That these backup files are saved. Means whenever if you see there is some software issues or glitch are happening, that time your entire project will be dismissed or it's means is dismissed. Then you can recover by these folders. Okay. So when we created, it's a 14. Okay. And now I'm just means it's when 8 o'clock 8:26. I'm last save this file. So last zip will be a L. It's a 2 days means today. 8:26 p.m. Okay. So this LM to finance bug converter backups. So there is a multiple backup files are available. So yeah, this is the folder. Okay, now I'm just opening our last session. So this is our we cover in the last session, that is our LM to 596 40 volt to 5 volt convert, right? So whenever our schematic is completed, there is necessary step is a ERC. Okay, ERC is a electrical rule check. So whenever when we creating any schematic, there is a need to check the your schematic. Why? Because ERC is a smart checker. Okay, inside your KiCad. That tells your schematic wiring is electrically correct or wrong. Okay, not all the wiring, but there is a power pins, unconnected pins like that. Okay, so sometimes your circuit is like connected, but electrically or actually it's not connected. Okay, so for example, we miss any ground connection, we miss any VCC connections. Okay, or even we are floating any floated the any pins of the microcontroller. So ERC catches those points and giving the errors. Okay. So before your PCB designing, you must to check the ERC. So you don't waste your money, your PCB timing and all other things. Okay. So yeah, so this is the ERC. So errors will be in the red marking and your warning will be in the yellow marking in your ARC. Okay. Always run ERC after completing the schematic. So yeah, this is the ERC. So just go here, run your ERC. Maybe there is a two errors. Okay. Okay. So yeah, these two errors, what they says, input power pin not driven by any output power pin, or input power pin not driven by any output power pin. These two errors is where this is V. Okay. So this one will be this and other one will be this. Okay. So we know there is a power is available. Okay. But this KiCad is uh, not actually know that power is coming from this connector. Okay. So we can just add the power flag over here and here. So this error will be not showing. Okay. So yeah, you guys also do the same. Just check your ERC, and I suppose they're giving the two errors. If your this correction is right, they're giving the two errors. Okay. Okay. Am I audible, right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just taking the power flags. Okay, this is the power flag. If you see, special symbol for telling ERC where power comes from. Okay, so you can take this and connect here. Okay, if you now check, run your ERC, your one error is deleted. Okay, same you can do with the power flags. Ground session. See, control V. Okay, just connect this. And for your information, you can add the comment like this is the ground one, right? And just do the same thing. Run. Yes. So your error will be the 0 and your warning will be the 0. Okay. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, can you do that again? Where from that power flag can
Okay,
taken?
okay, 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 okay. This is our power symbols. Okay. So just click here, write down your power. I'm already placed, so it's come on the top. Whenever we taking the first time, it's below. That is a power flag. Okay. And they also mention special symbol for telling ERC where power comes from. Okay. Is this okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, okay.
Okay. So yeah. Are you doing this ERC right now? Yeah. Have you checked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now it's your error will be 0 and your warning will be 0, right? Or is there any error?
No, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So now our ERC section is also completed. So are you aware about what ERC do? Right. So next one will be the how to create a symbol. Okay. This symbol. Suppose we don't have this symbol. So how can we customizely create this symbol? Same symbol we can create. Okay. So go to your symbol editor. Mm. Then file. We can create a new library. Okay. So new library. It's a global or project means these symbols we need for this only this project or you want in the your future project also. Suppose I want in the future project, not only this a particular project. So I can create this library for the global one. Okay. So I can create a okay. So where I want to create that particular library, I want to choose the location. So I'm creating currently in my location that is here. So this is the my library. Okay, I'm creating under this. So I'm just yeah, cause I'm choosing the name that is the custom library. Okay, so just I'm choosing the name same custom library. Make sure your space will be covered with the underscore. Okay, so save. Whenever we save, there is a custom library save. Okay, name is a custom library. So now I want to create a month symbol. So just click on the custom library, right click, then go to the new symbol, go symbol name, whichever you want symbol name. Suppose I want to LM2596. Okay. U, which is a designator. Okay. Then okay. So this is your now you can just how symbols look like. You can take any example. So I'm just copying this one. Okay. So I'm creating this copy of this LM259. Okay. So yeah, draw the rectangle first. Okay. This is your rectangle, but this rectangle is a blank. Okay, just go
How
to
you
the
draw rectangle, ma'am? How you draw rectangle?
here is a okay. There is a different sections are there. Okay, this one is a for the draw the pins. Okay, this one for the type write down any text on your symbol. Okay, there is a draw text box means with the your rectangle including the text. Okay, then draw rectangle. So I'm taking the rectangle from here. Draw rectangle. If you want a circle, if you want arc, there is a bezier, then your lines. You can take it from here. Okay. So I'm just taking the rectangle. Just click on here. Just click here and drag. Okay. So yeah, your rectangle is look like this. But if you see this rectangle with the
Ma'am,
yellow
right
color,
click or left click, ma'am?
left click.
Okay.
Okay, okay. But if you see this symbol filled with the yellow color, okay, and my is in my rectangle there is only the white color. So just click on your rectangle, press E. Do you want to fill with body outline color, fill with body background color, fill with custom color? So I am fill with the custom color, whichever you want. I'm taking it's a yellow one. Okay. So okay. So it's if you see it's a yellow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, I can just do the some darkness over there. Okay. So yeah. So now my rectangle is completed. Now I want to take these 5 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So yeah. So I'm just going here. Here is a draw pins. Just click pin name. Okay. So you can write V in is your pin name. Pin number which is a 1. Input is your power input. Right. So yeah, it's a power input. And graphic line style will be your line. Okay. Just click OK. So this is your 1 number pin. Then you want a 5 number pin.
How to connect pin, ma'am? How to connect pin, ma'am?
Okay. Just this pin will be appear after writing your V in number of pin. Okay.
Okay.
Then just click on that. Move by pressing M and just put it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Same you can do taking the pin number. Now it's a 5. Then it's a on off. I'm unaware of unable. Yeah, just on off. How can I take the bar on? Okay. Instead of bar, I'm taking the negation sign. Okay. So this is the my
Which
input
sign,
only.
ma'am?
This one. For means I'm unaware about the bar. How can we take that bar? Okay. So I'm just giving this negation sign. Okay. Inverted sign. If you not get is if you aware about the not get. So yeah, this is the negation sign. So I'm taking that. Okay. So now I'm doing some wrong information here. Okay. What is that? If you check, I'm typing pin name is a 5 and pin number is a honor. So this is the wrong address. So I'm just correcting one. Pin number is my 5, right? So this is a on. Okay. Then pin number, pin name is a ground. Pin number is a 3. Electrical type my power input. So yeah, it's a power input. So I'm just selecting those. So yeah, this this look like a messy, right? So I'm just doing different. Yeah, ground. Okay. Then we want two other pins. That is a FB and out. Okay, so my pin number 2 is out. Just go here. Your pin is a out. Or pin number is a 2. Just like that. Okay. Or this is your out means your output, right? Then feedback. So pin number is a 4. Oh, sorry. It's a FD. Pin number is a 4. Feedback means it's your input section. So, okay. So now your symbol is completed. Okay. So you can save the symbol or you can save file, save as your custom library and okay. Okay. So you can see here your symbol is saved. If you check, this is the emitter symbol. This is now you have created one. Okay. So here is like now I'm taking the same symbol. I'm just going here. Just a second, yeah. This will be taken time in the first time. Do you have any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you clear with how to create a symbol? Or we can create like microcontroller one, so you can
No, ma'am.
easily understand.
Understand. Understand. We can draw, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
How to draw custom library of register, inductor, diode?
Actually, if there is um, there is a one different method is also available. How there is a like Snap EDA, DigiKey, Mauser. There is a these symbols and your footprints are available. You can just download it and use it if you want. If you don't want to create one, okay. I also show how we download it and we can use it. Okay. So yeah. So
Okay, ma'am.
where we are LM 2596. Okay. This is our custom library, right? So this is our symbol. So you can use this one also. or you can use this one also. Okay, but your pin mapping is means very important. Okay, if you do the wrong pin numbers, they will reflect in your footprint. Okay, so make sure whenever we create a symbol, your pin this pin number is corrected. Means you can do the correct pin number naming of the pin number. Okay, okay. So yeah.
Ma'am, how to select that component, ma'am? Once
Uh,
again, please tell me.
uh, which one?
How to select component which we are created component.
Okay, just
Uh,
same like how we taken other components like place symbol. Okay, click here, write down your name, which symbol which you have created LM2596. Okay, so there is a different, but I am creating in the custom library. Okay, so where
okay,
custom library is here. Now I'm just clicking here and it's double click. Okay,
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
yeah. So this is the your how to customize symbol will be created. Okay, now another method, uh, how to we can download this symbols. So you can just type LM2596 symbol. Okay, symbol and footprint. Then there is a different sites are available. If you see, it's a snap magic search. So just go here. There is a need of your need for the login. Okay, so if you don't have any in account, you just create those account and we can use. Okay, so you can see these symbols is look like. Okay, so you can use this also because there is a 5 pin. What is that? This V in, on off, feedback, output, ground, and this ground tab is for this one. Okay, so yeah, if it's available or not available, there is no big deal. But yeah, this should be connected to your ground section. Okay, download. So which software we are using? KiCad. Okay, so just click on the KiCad. Now it's asking for the sign. Okay, so just okay, sign in. This is my 3. Oh, sorry.
Is this free, ma'am?
What?
Is this free? You can.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
This is free. Oh shit. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So LM2596. Okay. So there is a different footprints are available. This is for the through hole. This is for the through hole. This is for the assembly one. Okay. So if you check your Data sheets is available here in the in this Snap Magic. Your symbol is available. Your footprint is available. Your 3D is also available. And for the simulation, it's also available. You just click here. Sorry, we want the adjustable. Okay. So this is for what? Okay. So we want the adjustable one. There is no difference in the footprint and your symbol, but yeah, you can just make sure you can download the correct one. Okay, so this is your symbol, this is your footprint, this is your 3D model, how it look like actually. It's a simulation. There is a simulation link also, but yeah. So we can download symbol and footprint. Okay, so download. This is this symbol is for the different format like Altium, Circuit Studio, Design Spa. This is the different types of your PCB design software. So we are using the KiCad. So we are using the version 9. So which is a V6 and later. So click here. This is a preprint for the download part. So if you see your LM2596 will be downloaded. Okay. Go to there, just copy, sorry, copy, then go to your location where you want. Okay, this is your custom library, okay, which we created. Okay, I'm just okay. This is a zip file, so we want convert it into the folder. So just right click and extract all. So this is your location. So yeah. So under this folder, you can see here is a KiCad symbol. Okay, KiCad step, KiCad mod. This is for the symbol. This is for the your footprint. Okay. So if you want to check how can means how to import that, so there is a note available instructions. So you can check here how can we you how to import this symbol. Okay, so here is the step by step. How can we import one? So we are using the KiCad. So yeah, download zip, extract, keep the internal structure,
What
then
do you want to search, ma'am? What do you want to search on
where
SnapEDA? How to
snap
import?
ED. Okay, how to import not any. If you see here is the link available. You can
It will be
just double
downloaded.
yeah how to import. So you can just this page will be open. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and we are using the KiCad. There is a different this import guide. Okay, this is for Altium, Cadence, Design, Egress. So we are using the KiCad, right? So it's a this is a KiCad V6. Just click on yeah. So you can check how can we import using the KiCad symbol. Extract content, download zip. So now we have extract the this file in KiCad. Go to the preferences. Click on the manage and symbol library. So you can just there is a different methods. Okay. Then this is for the your footprint. This is for your symbol. Okay. So here is one video is also available. So you can check how exactly we can do the import the symbol, your footprint. Okay. Your 3D also. Okay. So now what I'm doing is now I'm just extracting this. So I'm just clicking here, same thing. Okay. So I'm going to my custom library here. Where is my custom library? There. Okay, this one, right? So I'm just clicking here, right click, then I'm just import symbol. Okay. So my symbol is available here. Okay. So I'm just double clicking. So this is my imported symbol. This is there is different types of the they given the multiple links. You can just ignore it. If you look like a messy, you can just delete it. Okay. So yeah, or you can just oh sorry, it's a creating that. Save as to your custom library. Okay. Okay. So it's a save. So now it's done. Okay. So you can just go here LM2596. If you check your imported symbol is here. So you can place from here also. So this is your imported symbol. Right? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Hello? Okay. So now are you aware about how can we download the symbols or how can we put that symbol into library and how can we import that symbol, right? So yeah, so we have created a symbol. Okay. Now next step is our footprint assignment. Okay. So we can assign footprint by there is a different methods. So yeah, if we want this one double this SS34 diode, if you want to assign the footprint, just double click on that. Here is a footprint option. Okay, so you can go this library symbol. Okay, so you can check diode assembly, diode through which you want to assign. So SS34 is generally comes in the DSMA package. Okay, so there is a different package for the your diode. So yeah, I'm using the DSMA hand soldering, or you can use the DSMA only. This is for the hand soldering. So I'm using the hand soldering one. Okay, and you can okay. So this is one step which can where we assign the footprint by symbol to symbol. Okay, you can just double click on it, then it's already available. Okay, there is a another method assign footprints, run footprint assignment tools. So we have a multiples component 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 components are here. So whenever we assign those assign or click here, so you can see here 11 components are available. Okay, which have in your schematic editor. Okay, so this is your footprint assignment editor. So now we can assign the footprint one by one. So this is the C1 value is 100 microfarad 50 volt. So this is the capacitor. So in right side your capacitor is here. There is a capacitor assembly, capacitor tantalum, capacitor through hole, So I'm using the capacitor assembly. So I'm using the electrolytic. So if you choose, I'm choosing this one. Okay, so if you go here, you can choose, you can see the how footprint is look like. Okay, and what is if 3D is available, how it look like. Okay, so
Ma'am, how to know which package we have to install? We have to select.
okay, so yeah, there is if you see there is a 6.3 multiplied by 5.3. Okay, what it means actually 6.3 is your pitch. Pitch means there is a difference between your two pads. Okay, there is a BSC like it's a basic spacing between the centers. So it's the basic spacing between your these two centers. If you see, it's just a second. It's 6.3. Okay, it's not actually 6.3. Just a second. Yeah, 3.5. So yeah, see here. My point. So I'm just so there is will be a difference between means this actually the this center to this center will be the 6.3 and your uh, height of this component will be the your 5.3. So this is the meaning of that 6.3 by 5.3. Okay. So allow me to find and 6. If you go here, there is a different sizes are available. But we want 100 microfarad, microfarad, sorry, microfarad. It's a 50 volts. So you can, okay, so yeah, there is a different sizes are available. So you can check which size is available in the market. Okay, our footprint is, our capacitor value is 100 microfarad, 50 volt. So you can check in the market in your vendor or in your where you buy those components, so which size is available. Okay, this is very important. If the size is not available, actual size is not available, we can't pop up or we can't assemble those uh, component on a PCB. Yeah.
Ma'am, if footprint is not available in KiCad, then
We want then
how to
we we can create the footprints or we can download that footprint. Okay,
if
like a symbol.
Snap PDA also not available. Then we want to
It's
go in how to go.
there is a okay, it's like the symbol how we create, same we can apply for the footprint. How we create the footprint, I can tell in the next class. There is a footprint creation. How can we create a footprint? But in
Okay.
symbol, there is a need of only the pin name or number. Okay, you can draw the symbol in any size like rectangle, square, circle, which you want or which you like, but not in the footprint. Footprint is only in your footprint is which is available in the market or which is available in that particular component. So in the components, if you see LM2 financing, there is a three different types of footprints are okay, two two footprints in the through hole and one footprint in the assembly type. Just a second. In the sorry, in my reference section, there is a LM256, right? So this is only three different types of LM2 finances are available. So you can choose out of three which you want. Okay. If you want to the surface assembly component, you can choose this one. Okay. If you want to the through hole, then check whether the this one is easily available in the market or this one is easily available in the market. Okay. So you can choose out of these two for the through hole, and there is only one available in the assembly. So you can choose for the assembly, go to this one. And if you these are not available in your KiCad, in your Snap EDA, then we want to create those. So how can we create those? There is a okay, okay. So here all dimensions are given. What is the diameter of this pin? What is the different means? What is the pitch between these two pins? Okay, center to center gap. Okay, what is the size of the square? Okay, so all the information given in this section. So you can check here. There is a dimension in the inches or in the millimeter and different sections. So in the whenever we create a new symbol, footprint, we can check how to check that one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now it's a C1. So for the C1, if which where mm, okay, okay. Oh, sorry. This side is will be a little bit slow. If you see in the specification, they given the length. Okay, suppose I'm using this one, 100 microvolt, microfarad, 50 volt. So the given width is 6.5 mm and height is 7.7 mm. So 6.5 and 5.5. Okay, so 6.5 is not available. So, yeah, just a second. In Mouser, they are also given the footprint. Okay. So, like Snap EDA, you can download from here also in the Mouser. Okay. Yeah, will be a specification. So 6.5 and 7.5. Okay. And if you check here, you can check diameter is 5 mm and length is 5.3 mm. Or here you can see your PCB symbol and footprint and 3D model is available. So you can download from here also. So you just go here. They directly show how the footprint, symbol, footprint and 3D model. So you can just download. Here also you need your account. So same thing, you can just log in here. If you don't have any account, you just create one and download any, and same way the zip file is downloaded and you can just extract those files and use it. Okay. So in the, yeah, I, actually in the Mouser I don't have an account. So in this particular my Gmail, so it's a Sam Sys. Okay, Samex Sys. So this website is directly available, so you can like use that one also. You can use Sys library loader. Okay, so yeah, so footprint products, PCB library. So there is a different libraries. So you can download from here also. So yeah, download here. Sorry. Yeah. So this library is downloaded. So I'm just extracting. Can check there is a, in the Snap EDA you can just download a particular software, but in the Mouser, that is Samsys, there is, you can, there is a, in the zip file there is a different software parts are also available, but we use KiCad. So go to the KiCad, there is a different section, symbol, mod, library. So you can use this also. So you can just import those into your symbol library, like I just show you. Just go to the symbol editor, same thing. I'm using the same library, custom one. Okay, just right click, import symbol. Now, oh, sorry, I'm just download in the my file is in the download section. Download. KiCad symbol. So this is the capacitor symbol they are given. Okay, so we can use this one also. Means in the symbol. Okay, and for the footprint, this is the footprint editor. Same way, I'm just creating new library. My location, teaching, another library, custom footprint. Okay, so let me just find it. Yeah, this one. So this is your footprint. Okay, so you just save as your library name. I think your library is not created properly. So I'm just putting here. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So yeah. EDK 5 into 5.4. So you can where we are see extra in extra footprint. Oh, just a second. Hmm, extra one. Okay, this one. Okay. So just double click. Make sure footprint is same. So yeah, this one. Okay. So we can assign C1, then C2. So uh, I'm assigning different ones. So I'm just choosing this one, 100 NF. So 100 NF is which one? Yeah, this one. So yeah, right. So I'm using the assembly capacitor for that. 100 NF is a ceramic non-polarized capacitor. Okay. So I'm using the capacitor assembly. which is the size will be my 1206. SS34, I already told. SS34 is under DSM. So go to the diode in the left side, assembly, then in the right side, DSM. So in above we choose SMA hand soldering. So this is also same hand soldering. I'm choosing the same one. Input connector. Wait, yesterday you talk about the connector, right? How to assign the footprint. So
Yes, ma'am.
like okay. So input connector. So go to the there is a different connectors are available. Okay, but we have taken the screw type. Okay. So in the screw type, there is a name terminal block phonics. Okay, so our connector is a 2 pin, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we choose 2 pin connector. Okay, so here you can check it's a 1 by 2 connector means one row. Sorry, two one column, two row. Okay, you can check here this one. Okay, in the 3D, if available, it's see how this connector look like. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so yeah, I'm choosing this one for this also and output also. Okay, then 68 microhenry, which is the our inductor. So go to the inductor. I'm taking all our component in the assembly except your connector. Okay, so your L1 means your inductor. So inductor assembly. So in the inductor, I'm choosing the 12 by 12. The rating of the 12 by 12 is a 3 ampere. So I'm LM2596 is maximum giving you a current is a 3 ampere. So yes, I'm choosing the 12 by 12. Then resistor. Resistor is size. It's a I'm taking as a 1206. Okay, this is not for power. This is only for the feedback. Okay, so it's 0603 is also relevant. 0805 is also relevant. 1206 is also relevant. Okay, or you can also choose a instead of these two resistor, we can also use a potentiometer there. Okay, but now we have taken the resistors. So yeah, we choose the resistors. So here is the different sizes. So I'm taking as a 1206 6. Okay. And LM2596, there is a, if you see, there is a package SOT. Okay. So you can choose, already choose a, but yeah, there is a SMD package 263. You already, we have assigned. So this is the package. Okay. So there is a on off. So now our footprint assignment is completed. Okay, so this is our footprint assignment. Uh, till here, is there any questions for me? Is there any doubt how to assign
No, ma'am.
footprint? Or
After today watching video, I will do and then I will ask,
oh,
ma'am.
okay, okay. If you have any question, you can ask on WhatsApp, or if you have any
Okay, ma'am.
doubt or
Sure.
any reference, you can ask on the WhatsApp. Okay, this
Okay,
is for
ma'am.
the today's class.
Ma'am,
Okay,
when we can see it again,
when we can.
can see this video maybe tomorrow if you want
I
to.
will ask to the Valmiki sir actually for the some my personal means there is some busyness with my workload and all. I'm not talking with the Valmiki sir today. I will talk and let you know. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes. Sorry for the last means you have asked for the video, but I'm not giving the reply. But sure, today I will ask and give the reply. Okay. Okay. Is there any doubt for the today's
No,
session?
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.